In this video I'm showing how to combine data from multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. This can be done using the concatenate formula. And to do a quick demonstration here, I have a spreadsheet open with some names in it that has 3 columns: first name, middle initial, and last name. So I'm going to go ahead and create a 4th column named combined. And in this column I'm going to combine the data from the first name column, the middle initial column, and then the last name column. And the syntax to do that is equals concatenate, open parentheses. The first name column would be B2, comma, middle initial is C2, comma, last name is A2, and then you could just hit the enter key. And you can see here that the concatenate formula doesn't build in any spaces. If you had a short list of data that you needed to combine, you could just go to each cell and click in it and add a space, and then the output will have the spaces built in. But obviously that doesn't scale well if you have a long list of data that you need to combine. So in that case, it's probably better to just amend the formula here to be, I'll just redo the entire thing, equals concatenate, open parentheses, B2, comma, and you can build spaces into it using a quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, C2, comma, and then another space by doing quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and then comma, and then A2, and just hit enter. And you can see here that now the output has the spaces built into it. And just like with any formula, you can use this little square here to easily copy it and mask down to the other cells so that you can concatenate those as well. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick reference on how to use this feature in Excel. Hit the like button if this was useful, and thanks for viewing.